Hello guys, today I made a Kazumi-Style video tutorial. Everyone asked it, and I did it finally. I hope it was as you wanted, and please don't forget. Like and subscribe because it took a long time to make. Good watching. If there is something you cannot do, contact me on Instagram. I will use this page for this edit. You can use whatever you want. Let me show you how to download videos. Copy the link and paste it to the site. And press download. Site link is in the description. After these steps, download any music you want. You can download them from any YouTube video download site. I put the link in the description. Now, we can start the video. First, let's import our clips. Done. Now import the music. This is my frame settings. Do it like this if you want, or use one-to-one. Up to you. The music is here. Now we have to choose the best part of the music. Add AI beats. Finding best part. Done. Now, let's match the beats by listening to them. Now, let's start putting the clips. The width of the clip will be at 114%, and the height will be 120%, and clips will be muted. Now, we will arrange the whole clip so that the scenes change. Done. Well. I do this to the whole video. Done. Let's see. Well. In this part, I make the frequently asked shake. Don't skip important. Now, let's put them all in a way that fits the beats. Done. Now let's take a look. Well. Now, we will add effects to the entire video. Nice. Let's see what happened. Well. Add fade out to the music. Make everything compound clip. Add your logo, optional. I forgot to mention motion blur. After making the entire video a compound clip, we add motion blur using blur 30, blend 30, and for times. Guys, thank you so much for watching the all video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. If there is something you cannot do, contact me on Instagram